Today we will study about the Williams syndrome. Alternative name, this disease also known as Williams-Bure syndrome. Causes, people with Williams are missing a genetic material from chromosome 7. This includes the protein elastin. Elastin protein product gives blood vessel the strengthiness and strength to be used of whole lifetime. Elastin is made during the embryonic development and childhood when blood vessels are formed. The deletion is caused by a break in the DNA molecule that make up a chromosome. Most break occurs while the sperm or egg cell is developing, while the gamete is fertilized and Williams syndrome will form. Symptoms most common: mental retardation, heart defect and unusual facial feature. Other symptoms: low birth weight, failure to gain weight appropriately, kidney abnormalities and low muscle tone. Also, people with the syndrome exhibit characteristic behavior like hypersensitivity to loud noises and overly outgoing personality. How doctor diagnose the disease? Most doctors diagnose the disorder by the physical feature of the child. To confirm the diagnosis, doctor use the special technique called FISH. FISH stands for fluorescent in situ hybridization. FISH. The deletion of the chromosome that causes the disease is so small that it can't be seen in the karyotype. The DNA sequence is labeled with a fluorescent chemical that light up in the ultraviolet light. Elastin gene is labeled with the chemical, and if there it will light up under UV light. But if it is not, then the child has Williams syndrome. यानी अगर इलास्टिन जीन प्रेजेंट है तो आपको फ्लोरोसेंट लाइट में, यूवी लाइट में वो दिखाई देगा, लेकिन अगर वो एब्सेंट है तो वो दिखाई नहीं देगा. एब्सेंट है यानी वो चाइल्ड में विलियम्स सिंड्रोम है. सो हियर यू कैन सी द सेंट्रल प्रोब हेल्प आइडेंटिफाई द 7 क्रोमोसोम. दिस इज द सेंट्रल प्रोब यूज. दिस इज द control probe for use. Okay, so in this diagram you can see positive Williams syndrome, FISH assay, chromosome 7. The elastin gene is found on only one chromosome. The other copy carries an elastin gene deletion. तो यहाँ पे एक ही क्रोमोसोम पे एक ही कॉपी है इलास्टिन जीन की, अदर क्रोमोसोम पे वो absent है. Therefore this child is carry the Williams syndrome. In next photo you can see here on 2 chromosome elastin gene is present, means these are the Williams syndrome negative FISH assay on chromosome 7. The elastin gene is found on both the chromosome. This individual does not have the Williams syndrome. Treatment: there is no cure for Williams syndrome and people with the disease will have to be treated and monitored for symptoms for their whole life. Incidence rate and risk factor: about 1 in every 8,000 children will have Williams syndrome. There are no real risk factor, but parents with the disease have about a 50% chance of passing it to their children. The support group include the Williams Syndrome Foundation, the Williams Syndrome Association, Berkshire Hill Music Academy. So these are all the supporting groups. Thank you.